Over 100 tons of extraterrestrial material fall on Earth every single day. That's just one of 5 viral claims we're going to investigate, where the truth is far stranger than the headline. The internet is an amazing place for discovery, but it's also an echo chamber for misunderstanding. Sensational claims about space and AI get millions of views, but they often miss the real story. So today, we're going to look at the data, read the papers, and set the record straight. Claim 1. You've likely seen the stunning new image of the Black Eye galaxy, Messier 64, with the viral headline, NASA captures 2 galaxies colliding, one spinning backward. It's an incredible story of cosmic violence, but it's not quite right. This image is a masterpiece composite from both the Hubble and James Webb telescopes, and the collision isn't 2 massive galaxies currently crashing. The paper explains that Messier 64's bizarre behavior, its outer gas disk rotating opposite to its inner disk of stars, is the result of a past event. It likely absorbed a smaller, gas-rich satellite galaxy billions of years ago. The Black Eye isn't a bruise from a cosmic punch. It's a vast, dense lane of dust where the counter-rotating gas clouds clash, triggering a massive wave of new star formation. Verdict: it's not a collision in progress. It's the beautiful, star-forming ghost of galactic cannibalism. Claim 2. AI discovered 8 new habitable planets NASA missed. This headline implies human astronomers were asleep at the wheel. The reality is more collaborative and frankly more impressive. Scientists developed sophisticated AI, specifically neural networks, to reanalyze the enormous archives of data from missions like Kepler and TESS. These datasets are so vast that human analysis can miss faint signals. The AI acts as a powerful assistant, flagging potential candidates that were buried in the noise. Human astronomers must then rigorously verify each AI-flagged candidate. The AI didn't discover new worlds from scratch. It found faint whispers in data we already had. The real story isn't about AI replacing us. It's that we're generating so much data about the universe, we need AI co-pilots just to sift through it. Verdict: AI didn't find new worlds. It found ghosts in NASA's old data that astronomers are now confirming are real. Claim 3. James Webb Telescope finds strong evidence of life on exoplanet K2-18b. This one went global. Webb did detect dimethyl sulfide, or DMS, in the planet's atmosphere. On Earth, DMS is overwhelmingly produced by living organisms like marine phytoplankton. So, case closed? Not at all. The scientists behind the discovery, led by Niku Madhusudan at Cambridge, were extremely careful in their paper. They called it a potential biosignature. They explicitly state that unknown geological or chemical processes could also produce the gas. The real breakthrough isn't that we found alien life. It's that our instruments are now so exquisitely sensitive, we can detect a specific trace gas in the air of a planet 120 light-years away. We are tasting the atmospheres of other worlds. Verdict: we haven't found life. We found a clue so tantalizingly specific that it has forever changed how and where we will look for it. Claim 4. New AI can predict solar flares with 100% accuracy. A claim like this suggests we've solved the problem of space weather, which can knock out satellites and power grids. The truth is, AI models like one called Dagger have made incredible progress. They analyze the sun's complex magnetic fields to forecast the probability of a major flare erupting from a specific active region within a 24-hour window. Their accuracy is a huge leap forward, but it is not 100%. It's a highly educated weather forecast, not a prophecy. The more profound story is that we're teaching machines to read the fundamental language of the sun, a language of tangled magnetic fields and plasma physics that we are still learning to decipher. The AI is spotting patterns that human intuition might miss. Verdict: AI can't predict the future, but it's learning to read the sun's secret language better than we can. Claim 5. NASA warns giant asteroids are constantly skimming Earth's atmosphere. This evokes images of city killers narrowly missing us every week. This claim confuses 2 very different things. First, near-Earth objects, which can be miles wide but often pass millions of miles away, cosmically close but perfectly safe. Second, the constant stream of very small meteors that do hit our atmosphere and burn up as shooting stars. The reality is far more poetic. Scientists estimate about 100 tons of cosmic dust, particles the size of sand grains from comets and asteroids, settle on Earth every single day. We are not being skimmed by giant rocks. We live and breathe inside the remnants of the solar system's creation. Verdict: we aren't dodging cosmic bullets. We live and breathe inside the remnants of the solar system's creation. The universe is rarely as simple as a viral headline. The data, the real science, always tells a deeper, more intricate, and ultimately more astonishing story. Chasing the facts doesn't diminish the wonder, it amplifies it. The truth, it turns out, is always the best story. Stay curious.